full of notifications, busy schedules, and endless distractions. It is so easy to lose track of what truly matters. We often say, bukas na lang, mamaya na lang, or I don't have time.
Wait! Time! Sandali lang! Bakit ang bilis mo? At yun mo naman ang oras mo sa akin. Ang dami ko pang gustong gawin. Ang dami ko pang gustong laruin. At ang dami pa nitong reels na gusto kong panoorin.
I wait for no one. God gave you 24 hours a day. But tell me, how much of it are you using for things that will fade away? And how much are you using for eternity?
Ephesians 5:15 to 16 reminds us, be very careful then on how you live, not as unwise, but as wise, redeeming the time, because the days are evil.
While we waste time on things that don't matter, the world around us is hurting.
People are searching for hope, searching for truth, and crying out for a Savior.
Hello? Is there anyone who cares? May pag-asa pa ba?
I want to help. I want to do something. But I'm just one person. Maliit lang ako. Mahina lang. Paano ko maaabot ang mundo? Paano ko isusulong ang kahayaan ng Diyos ng isa? Sino nagsabing mag-isa ka? Kasama mo kami. Lalabas tayo. Magbabahagi tayo ng salita ng Diyos at aabot tayo ng mga nawawalang kaluluwa. You are not alone, kapatid.
Habang kayo'y lumalakad, kami naman ay luluhod sa panalangin. Ipapanalangin namin ang bawat hakbang. Babakuran namin ang panalangin ng bawat misyon.
At hindi titigil ang gawain ng Diyos dahil lang sa kakulangan. Narito kami para magbigay suporta, magtanim ng resources, at pondohan ang pagpapalawak ng kaharian ng Diyos.
We are the church. God didn't call us to be isolated Christians. He called us to a mission together. Kapag pinagsama-sama natin ang ating lakas, panalangin, at mga kaloob, walang makakapigil sa pagsulong ng kanilang kaharian.
Ito na ang oras para magising. To stop wasting time and start living for God's purpose.
Lalabas at magpapadala. Ipapangaral natin si Kristo saan man tayo dalhin.
Mananalangin at makikipagburo tayo.
Magbibigay tayo at magpapadaloy ng pagpapala because every seed can advance God's kingdom.
The time is now. The mission is clear. And the church must move together.
Happy anniversary, Edward GMI! Mission together, redeeming the time, advancing God's kingdom.